Hello everyone, it's Mark Leibovit, and here we are with another Esignal update for Monday, June 1st, but recorded on May 29th. Leibovit VR newsletters, vrtrader.com, hosts a series of products including our VR Silver, our daily market commentary, our Platinum, which includes specific recommendations, our weekly VR Gold letter, which covers most of the futures markets from crude oil to precious metals, our annual forecast model, which is our cyclical forecast for the major markets. As you know, our new Vice letter, which covers everything from cannabis to gambling and alcohol. And don't forget about our Trader's Book of Volume, the definitive guide to volume trading. Here at Esignal, we do offer a 1-month free trial to the Leibovit volume reversals. There are 3 versions: the sequential, which we use in these videos, the directional, which filters out repetitive VRs, and the 2-day version, which is based on the premise that following a volume reversal, negative or positive, you get movement in that direction for a couple of trading days. The example this week we're using is Broadcom, Brcm. As you know, it was a subject of a takeover this past week, but the interesting part of this with the sequential indicator, looking at all the volume reversals, you could see all the accumulation that was occurring here since April. We actually go all the way back here to early March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 volume reversals, and 8, 9, 10 volume reversals. There was one little negative in here, but just steady accumulation on the Broadcom. And if you were trading it, there were nice little follow-through trading days. There was a positive volume reversal just a couple days before the big surge. And if you jumped in even on the day of the story when it broke out on heavy volume, you were able to catch something to the upside even intraday. But this was showing a steady pattern. And if you look at the weekly chart, we had a nice positive volume reversal here. This is going back several weeks, about 4 or 5 weeks back. Nice positive volume reversal. Prior to that, there was a negative, and it did go down a little bit, but the positive would have reversed your position. Plus the fact you had your rising 533 stochastic, which is what I use, as you know, as a sort of confirming or benchmark. I like to see that tie in. Doesn't always happen 100%, but ideally if you get a rising stochastic and a positive VR, then you're in pretty good shape. So that's what we want to look at this week, and I appreciate you checking in. It's Mark Leibovit from vrtrader.com. We'll speak to you on our next recording. Thanks for checking in.